Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding Transformers, the architecture behind LLMs. Imagine a super-powered parrot that can not only repeat what it hears but also understand and generate human-like text. That's essentially what a large language model, LLM, is. It's a type of AI that understands and generates text, powering things like chatbots and writing assistants. We'll focus on how they work under the hood. The magic behind LLMs is a neural network architecture called the transformer. Think of it as the engine of our parrot. Unlike older methods, it processes the entire text at once, understanding context much better. This parallel processing is key to its speed and accuracy. Imagine reading a sentence. You don't just read each word in isolation. You pay more attention to certain words that are important for understanding the meaning. The attention mechanism in transformers does the same. It weighs the importance of each word in a sentence when generating output. Self-attention lets the transformer understand relationships within the sentence. It's like the parrot having an internal conversation to understand the sentence's structure before repeating or generating text. For example, it figures out which words are related to each other. The transformer has two main parts: an encoder that understands the input, and a decoder that generates the output. Think of the encoder as listening and the decoder as speaking. The encoder processes the input and gives the decoder context for generating its response. The encoder and decoder are built from layers that process the information step by step. Similar to layers in a cake, each word is first transformed into a numerical representation called an embedding, providing a context-aware numerical identity for each word. Let's see real-world examples of transformers in action. We'll look at how these powerful models underpin applications like Google Translate, writing assistants, chatbots, and more. Now that you understand the basics, we'll briefly touch upon popular libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which provide tools to build and work with transformer models. We'll set the stage for your further exploration. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.